Yeah, so to continue this video of this support resistance issue, and then to know where the price is going in a simple way, there's something I want to show you. Look, you need to know that the price will show you where it's going using some kind of things, but only if you will understand it. You see, the price is going up, but if you zoom your chart and you look at it the way I'm looking at mine this way, you will see some up that really stand alone. Something like this. This is a high. It's standing alone. Hmm. You can see another one here. It's another high standing alone. You can see another one here. It's another high standing alone. Look, if you can see something like this, there's nothing to talk about. The price is going up. Okay, because these are the highs that the price will always break to create a new high. So it's showing you those high because it's coming back to break it. That's why those high, they are standing alone. It's going up. Look, if you cannot see the eye anymore and you started to see some kind of lows that are standing alone, okay, then it's going down. Okay, let's forget about that for now. That's too professional for a beginner. Look at something going on right here. Okay, the price creates this high standing alone. As a professional forex trader, I know the price has created it. It's coming to break it, and that is, what is called a breakout. The price I've shown you, it has created a high here, and this high is standing alone. Price was coming to break it. The price did another low high here. It's standing alone before a pullback, but this high is standing alone. There is a up playing going on here. The price is coming to break these two highs. That is why they are standing alone. This is the message the price is passing to you, that it's going up. Now, if you get started to see some kind of lows standing alone, man, the price is going down, man. That's why it's creating this low standing alone. This low, it's coming back to break them. Okay, how do you play this game? How are you gonna play this thing? Okay, look, let's go do something like I'm gonna do one thing. Like, if I follow it, that's why this type of strategy will mean that you are actually following the price. Look, I will put just some wood here. When this wood is broken, aha, I'm coming to jump in, and I'm gonna put another wood here. When this wood is broken, I'm gonna jump in. Or this is one way to follow it. The second way to follow it is, okay, I put a wood on top of this and I'm waiting for the price to come and break it. And actually, because I know I'm a professional trader, price breaking it is going to be my own entry. But some people will wait for break and retest. They jump in and go. You're following it. You can see some high. Okay. If price is breaking this high here, breaking it, this is where it broke it, retest. People who do the break and retest strategy will get in here. Okay. I think my time is over. Put the wood here. Wait for it to come and break it. It has broken and retest. Retest entry. It has to go. You continue doing this until the price cannot go up anymore. That is when it is going down. Okay. I will remake this video because of time isn't enough for me. But